painters to score a lot in transition. Oh, what a fantastic move by JM Bravo.
JM Bravo, sinausaw pa bago ini-reverse yan. Ganda rin ang ball
In the ball
movement.
game. Good spirited start here for Terra Firma, but answered right away by Noko. He just missed his three prior to that basket just to
Johnson tries another three. This time it's good.
stay closer na. Nabanggit na ni Mabu, 51% sa tris to eh.
Umali inside, kicks. Bravo off the spin.
Playing good music together. They're making the extra pass. And great finish by JM Bravo. 27 points for Terra Firma. Good scoring quarter for them.
Tayo with a couple of picks. Belka for three. Off the glass.
Umawa na naman. Sakto sa timing. Yung tres na yon ni Big Boy.
Big goal. Now 0 for 4 from the field. At yan nga pong speed ng Rio. Hindi ba ako tapos magkwento eh. Umaliw ng pagganon.
Napagalitan nga po ni Belbilis.
Anton against Eriobu. 4 ball on the way. Asisjo drills it right in the face of Joseph. Anmisi to Umali. 3 ball. Good!
Naghihiyawan yung mga tao sa banggaan ni Belgan at ni Umani. Pero kailangan makatres na rin. First.
Eriobu all the way.
Well, this guy is really playing so well and moving the length of the court and scoring on the break. And look at the way Terra Firma minutes. Pero pag nagpalit na ng tao si Yeng, marami pa siyang pyesa, nauubusan na itong Terra Firma.
Tatlo na lang hindi umi-score dahil si Limeti just got his name on the board. Actually, hindi pa nga keeper on that side. Johnson to Noku. 3 ball. Long to lang pala, pero still good.
Grabe talaga yung
Sinagupa ni Ali. Ibigay kay Johnson. 3 ball. Good.
hindi ka makatira sa loob. Nasupalpal ka. Tapos second attempt, tres naman. So knocking down a runner.
Eriobu over Nokum. No. Ali somehow ended up with it, and the cleanup is good. And one pa pala, para kay Mubashar yun.
Minsan ang gusto mo lang makita sa mga manlalaro mo is but they just could not get the defensive rebound.
Anton with some daylight. A 4 surrounding Mamu. Roque for 3.
Grabe kumpiyansa. Now Bashar Ali is getting hot.
David gets it back though. Kasama ng Overchar Ali, sila Jerica, Anmisi, nandiyan din si Paraiso, Zaldivar. G. Villegas trying to make up for that miss with a steal. Luis all the way.
Yun ang masakit. Nag-mintis ng layup. So nawala ng 2 puntos. Umagaw, mabibigyan ng possible 3. Uy, ganda nun ah. Uy!
Very nice. Very nice para dito sa Terra Firma. G.
Importante lumalaban eh. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin makita.
Now at 7. Johnson barreling his way through. Nag-impento na lang ng anggulo doon.
Penektusan, pumasok!
Johnson kicks. Wow for 3. Punches it through. That's a triple-double for Jalen Johnson.